All right, everyone. Week 3 of core. How are your abdominal muscles feeling? Mine are sore. All right, we're going to start today in forearm planks. Let's go ahead and bring it on down. All right, stepping those legs back one at a time. Go ahead and drop it down, and let's bring our palms together. And we're going to start by dipping our hips. We're going to get right into it, right and left. So I want you to let your right hip roll right, left hip roll left. And you're just going to feel this work as we move our body from side to side, okay? So really waking up the obliques, waking up the shoulders, the arms. You're here for 5, 4, good job, 3, 2, one more each side, 1. Good, drop the knees. Straighten the arms, walk the knees back some, knee down push-ups or regular push-ups. Ready, set, you've got 8, 7, knees up if you want to. Good, lower and lift. Doing a little combo. Good, you should have about 3. Keep your core engaged, 2, 1. All right, shoulder is part of your core. We're learning this, right? Forearms down, okay? Palms pressed together again. Now, just jigsaw, forward, back. So you're sawing your core right down the middle here. Shifting it forward and back. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees. Go ahead and make that transition onto your back, okay? Nice job. Now, laying down here on your back, I want you to bring your knees at 90, okay? Now, place your hands by your sides, reverse, and then tap the heels. Reverse, heel tap. One more, reverse, heel tap. Now, legs straight. Reverse, just reverse. Good, so maybe you prefer the bent knees because you notice the momentum that can be utilized. Maybe you prefer the straight legs because if you're like me, I have a little more control, especially because my legs are straight as I reach up, okay? You're here for 4, 3, butterfly crunches in 2, 1. So feet together, knees apart like a bound angle in yoga. Hands behind your head, crunch up. Good. Lift through the midline of the body. Feel your core engaged. Here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Stay here. 1. Now pick up your feet. Good. Reach your arms forward. Freeze. 5. Pull your belly in. 4, 3, 2. Tap. Lift. 8, 7. I'm going to support my head. 6, 5. Woo. 4. I can feel my inner thighs. 3, 2. One more. Keep them up. 4. Keep your belly in. 3, 2. Put your head down. And again, we crunch. 8, 7. Your feet are down. 6, 5, 4. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Bring the knees back together. Flip, flip. All right. 8 push-ups on your toes, knees, or combo. I'm going to start on my toes. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Forearms come back down. Bring the palms back together. Lift your knees. Side to side dips like we started in 3, 2, 1. Right, left. Now, if you need to, you can lower the knees just like this and dip your hips. But if this is too easy, then make sure you pick those knees back up and really work the rotation, okay? In 5, side to side. 4, so it's really 10 if you're counting single. 3, 2. One more. Good job. 1. Lower the knees, straighten the arms. Good. Now come to plank. All right, core is engaged here. Pick up your right foot. Bring it to the right. Bring it back. 8, 7, keep it lifted. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, left side. Pick up the left foot, hold. Bring it left, ready? 8, 7, come on. 6, 5, 4, get this. 3, 2, 1. Feet together, hold. 4, 3, 2, drop. All right, forearms come back down. Again, forearm plank. Ready, set, lift. Jigsaw. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on. 3, 2. One more. Hold that forearm plank. 4. Lift your belly. 3, 2, 1. Flip back onto your back. You're almost done. Good. Now, bring your knees back to that neutral position. Hands by your side. Ready? Reverse crunch. Heel tap. 2 more. Reverse crunch. Heel tap. Last one. Now, make the reverse crunches harder. Legs straight. Ready? Straight up. You want to reach straight into the air. All right? Really use that low belly. Lift. And then push through your feet. Yes. There you go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, butterfly crunches. 1. This time, hands behind the head. Reach left, right, left, right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Pick up your feet. 2, 1. Now, pick up those feet. Tap your toes. 8, 7, 6. Pull that belly in. Good. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Keep them up. 4. Come on. 3, 2. Head comes down. Feet come down. Bring the knees together. Bring them in. Way to work today, guys. Nice job. You've kicked off week 3 strong, and I'll see you soon for another core video this week and yoga. Bye, guys.